Did you know you can speed up your workflow by using these shortcuts in your MIDI clip, particularly on the drums? So for example, here I've got an 808 kit. So I'm going to select a closed hi-hat sound like this, and I'm going to drag it across. And as soon as you press Control E, it will basically cut the note based on the grid size. There you go. Automatically Control E does all that. But if we press Control E and then press up on the keyboard, it will split it by 2. And if you keep pressing up, it'll split it by 3, 4, 5, 6, however many you want. You can really make it go crazy. But in this case here, we're going to select 5 on the hi-hat. We're going to do the same thing on the kick drum. But on the kick drum, we're going to select 4. And on the snare, we're going to do something similar. We'll select 8. We can start hiding some of the notes. So for example, here on the snare, we can hide this note here, this one, and we can hide all of these other notes like this, just by pressing 0 really. Similar with the kick drum. And with the hi-hats, we just keep them as is, and we can randomize the velocity. We can actually take the last closed hi-hat, and once again, press Control E, and we have this kind of rolling effect on the hi-hat. And we can even do more than that by pressing Control E again, really fine-tuning that. So now I'm just going to select all of that like this, just duplicate that across like this. And literally in the matter of 10 seconds, I've created this cool little intricate beat. If we want to make it more intricate, we can do stuff with the kick drum and even with the snare. If you like content like this, please like and subscribe for more.